Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use an easy glucometer. First, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water to ensure accuracy and hygiene. Next, gather all your necessary supplies: your glucometer, a fresh test strip, your lancing device, and a new lancet. It's crucial to check the expiration date on your test strip vial. Expired strips can give inaccurate readings, so always use fresh ones. Now, let's prepare the device. Insert a new test strip into the glucometer. It should automatically turn on and display a code or a blood drop symbol. Next, load a fresh lancet into your lancing device. Adjust the lancing depth setting, usually between 1 and 5, to a comfortable level that produces a good blood drop. Then, prick the side of your fingertip, not the pad, to minimize discomfort. Once you've pricked your finger, gently squeeze it to form a small, round drop of blood. Avoid smearing it. Now, carefully touch the tip of the test strip to the blood drop. The strip will automatically draw in the blood through capillary action. Hold it there until the glucometer beeps or indicates it has enough blood. In just 5 to 10 seconds, your blood glucose reading will appear on the screen. After getting your reading, it's important to record it immediately. Note the blood glucose level, the date, and the exact time in your logbook or app. This helps you and your healthcare provider track trends. Finally, safely dispose of the used lancet and test strip in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks. You can then clean your glucometer with a slightly damp cloth if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.